Hello and welcome to my next video. This is just a diamond painting I wanted to share that I got from AliExpress. This is how it came. I just pulled it out a little bit so I could get a hold of it. And this is the package. It came delivered by my mailman, which is kind of strange. But yeah, I'm just going to pull this off. I'm just trying to protect some of my location, so I don't want any visitors. And yeah, it came in this this tube, so it's well protected, which is nice. And this is a Starry Night Harry Potter castle, which I will show on the screen, a close-up photo of it. And it has a little kit, like most of them get, the generic stuff, right? Your normal placement pens, and this is the size. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, and yeah. I don't really need any of this, so I'll get this one out of the way. And these are the drills. And this one, I was reading on the website, comes with one AB, Aurora Borealis, kind of shifty rainbowy color. And this is going to be, I'm not sure if the Diamond Art Club one that I got has some, but this is the first one that I sought out looking specifically for an AB. And since I'm new to this, I don't know which one it is. I don't know how to tell either which one it is. Yeah, so I guess maybe if you're in the comments and you know what symbol an AB is, that would be helpful. But yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, sorry, my cat's blocking the light. She's decided to come on the desk, but maybe it'll say on this paper. And I don't want to take them all out because I am going to be finishing the bunny that I have first. So I don't want to unpack this one. And it seems like they all come separate in these little bags. So that's kind of different. I'm used to the ones where they're, kind of like in sealed bags that you have to cut. These ones aren't sealed. They're in little Ziploc baggies. Oh my goodness, she's in the way. Okay, I'll put this over here instead. Okay. She's such a little brat. But yeah, I'm not sure which. I mean, these ones are rainbowy on top. But I know I only have one. Oh, she just saw my bunny move. There's another one there. Are there 3 then? Oh my god, this is so confusing to me. Because there looks like there's 3 that have a rainbowy kind of color to them. I will show in a second. One moment. This is what I was talking about with the ABs. These are all the normal kind of non-sparkly ones. And they're just all kind of standard beads, drills. And as I get closer to the middle, there's these. And they have that rainbow iridescent on them. And then just black, blue, blue, black. And yeah, those are all the normal ones. And then there's these two that have the rainbow iridescent on them. And this one. So I guess there's 3 of the specials. So there's this blue pack that looks pretty hefty. It's probably about double these two. So it's kind of like, yeah, like that's kind of nice. Okay, so I guess that's it for these and the 3 ABs. And I will open up the actual painting now so I can see what that looks like. Oh, and my paper. Was there not a paper here? Oh. Got it. Oh, this is just the grid or the guide or whatever. The legend. There we go. And I will link everything. And I'm not going to be taking it, like pulling the wrap and flattening it, because I am going to be rolling it back up. I just wanted to kind of have a look at it. And there's a foam in here, which is good. To keep it from crushing. Yeah. So I will get a closer look of these. One sec. Okay, so yeah, they look clear. I think the bunny painting I'm doing is probably the only one that's not all that clear, which is kind of crappy for me considering it's my first ever painting. And I also think it has, I've heard somebody describe it as having confetti, and the bunny definitely has confetti, because I'm finding I'm switching colors all the time, and there's just like random colors kind of strewn in everywhere, and pretty sure where that term comes from. But yeah, these are looking really nice. I'm actually pleasantly surprised for an AliExpress product. And I believe the Starry Night image is now like for public use or public domain, I think they call it. So it's not entirely stolen artwork. It's the Harry Potter castle, though. Although they could claim it's just a castle. But I mean, it's the Harry Potter castle. I mean, come on. You can tell the Harry Potter castle from like a mile away. There's like the bridge down there. But yeah, I'm kind of interested to see what this is going to look like when it's done. Especially with the ABs in here, which I thought there was only 1, and apparently there's 3. Yeah, and I'll just keep you updated, and I will probably like take clips now and then while I'm doing it and kind of speed up progress. And then once I'm completely done it, I'll like post a kind of before and after. And yeah, so I just want to get an overview of the whole thing. Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show, and I didn't really get much else that's kind of art related. I did get a few other items from AliExpress that I was kind of just wanting, I thought looked cute. I will go and get them. One moment. Okay, so I'm back and I got, let me see if I can, yeah, zoom in and with my light. And I got this little keychain. It's kind of a dog balloon. And then I got a blue one for my sister. I don't know if she'll want the blue one or the purple one, so she has her pick. And then I got an inbred cat. And I got a baby Groot with room in his head for a plant. And he is really tiny, like as you can see, he fits in my hand. So if you want a tiny baby Groot, I can link him below. But he's holding a little duck. I don't know, I thought he was so cute. I saw a lady at my work, she has one that's about 6 inches. So, I mean, I guess if you want a bigger plant. But yeah, I really like these, they're so cute. And this one's kind of got an iridescent to it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I guess I will keep you updated on progress, and I would also like to do other types of content as well, so I may be back with some sort of painting video next. Thank you. Bye.